Baylen Out Loud Season 3, everything revealed trailer, cast lineup, and official premiere date. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Baylen had spent months hinting that exciting things were happening behind the scenes, and fans of Baylen Out Loud could hardly contain their excitement. Social media buzz reached new heights as viewers began speculating about what a possible third season could include. Every photo, every short video, and every interview sparked new theories. Some believed production had already started, while others thought the cast was simply enjoying time together before making a major announcement. Regardless of the rumors, one thing was clear: interest in the series had never been stronger. Supporters of the show continued discussing how the previous seasons had connected with audiences by offering honest, emotional, and often humorous moments from Baylen's everyday life. Many viewers admired her openness about living with Tourette syndrome and the way her family supported one another through both challenges and celebrations. That authenticity became the heart of the series and the reason so many people hoped the story would continue. In this fictional scenario, excitement exploded after an entertainment website claimed that a brand new trailer was on the way. Although nothing had been officially confirmed, fans immediately began analyzing every clue they could find. Online discussion groups filled with predictions about what the next chapter might explore. Some expected wedding planning to become a major storyline, while others believed Baylen would focus more on her career and advocacy work. Another popular topic of discussion centered around the returning cast. Fans imagined seeing familiar faces back together, including Baylen's parents, siblings, close friends, and fiancé Colin. Viewers hoped each family member would receive even more screen time, allowing audiences to learn more about their personal lives and relationships. The possibility of new cast members also became a favorite theory, with many suggesting that additional friends and relatives could appear throughout the season. Speculation didn't stop there. Some imagined that Season 3 would include larger family gatherings, emotional milestones, exciting travel adventures, and behind-the-scenes moments that had never been shown before. Others predicted that Baylen's growing popularity would create new opportunities, forcing her to balance public attention with her private life. Those ideas spread quickly across social media, inspiring thousands of comments from fans sharing their own dream storylines. The fictional rumors also suggested that production quality would be bigger than ever. Supporters imagined more cinematic filming, new locations, heartfelt interviews, and deeper conversations about Baylen's journey. Many believed the series had the potential to inspire even more people by continuing to educate audiences while remaining entertaining and relatable. As anticipation continued to grow, fan pages began creating their own promotional artwork and homemade trailers. Some edited together memorable clips from earlier seasons, while others designed posters featuring Baylen and her family with dramatic captions predicting an unforgettable return. Although these creations were entirely fan-made, they helped keep excitement alive throughout the community. In this imagined story, television insiders claimed that network executives were thrilled by the overwhelming response from viewers. They reportedly believed another season could become the biggest installment yet, introducing new audiences to Baylen's inspiring journey while rewarding longtime fans with emotional and unforgettable moments. Conversations soon shifted toward what kind of challenges Baylen might face in the new season. Fans hoped to see her continue building confidence while preparing for important life milestones. They imagined heartfelt conversations with family members, funny behind-the-scenes moments, and emotional scenes showing how much she had grown since the beginning of the series. Many also hoped the season would highlight the importance of acceptance, understanding, and resilience. The possibility of seeing Colin take on a larger role became another major topic among viewers. Supporters envisioned the couple navigating wedding preparations, future plans, and everyday life together. Their chemistry had become one of the show's strongest elements, and fans wanted to see even more of their relationship develop over time. Despite all the speculation, everyone understood that these ideas remained fan theories within this fictional scenario. Still, that didn't stop excitement from spreading across online communities. Every new rumor encouraged fresh discussions, and every discussion brought even more anticipation for what many hoped would eventually become reality. By the end of the week, fan communities were buzzing with endless predictions, countdown graphics, and wish lists for future episodes. Whether discussing possible guest appearances, emotional family moments, or exciting adventures, viewers agreed on one thing: if a third season ever arrived, they wanted it to be the biggest, most heartfelt, and most memorable chapter of Baylen's story yet.